The Revolutionary Front bus attack in South Sudan that occurred amid ongoing conflict in the region. A bus traveling through a volatile area, often along the Juba-Nimule road, was ambushed by a group believed to be part of the Revolutionary Front, a rebel faction fighting against the government. The attackers targeted civilians in a brutal assault, killing passengers and injuring many others. The motive behind the attack was to send a political message, destabilize the region, and challenge the South Sudanese government's authority. This attack, like many others in the region, highlighted the fragile security situation in South Sudan, where civilians are often caught in the crossfire between warring factions. The incident drew international condemnation with calls for stronger security measures and peace efforts in the region. The Revolutionary Front's involvement added to the complexity of the South Sudan conflict, exacerbating tensions between different ethnic groups and political factions. The attack occurred deadly in South Sudan on September the 24th, 2024, along the Juba to Nimule highway. The South Sudanese military blamed the National Salvation Front or NAS rebels group for the attack. NAS, which operates in areas south of Juba, has previously been linked to similar incidents. However, the group, led by Thomas Cirillo Swaka, denied involvement in the attack. Despite the 2018 peace agreement aimed at stabilizing South Sudan, areas like the Juba to Nimule highway remain vulnerable to insecurity and ambushes. The government has faced ongoing challenges securing the region, with past incidents on the same highway, including attacks in 2022 and 2021, resulting in multiple fatalities. This latest incident underscores the persistent instability in South Sudan, particularly in areas not fully under government control. You have been with me, Mark Tunu Bryan, on Acholi ITV. Thank you.
Is he the one of them or not?
No, he's the one who came.